So Vivo recently released their X300 series and also updated their OS, and it's now called OriginOS 6. I was lucky enough to witness the launch in Shanghai, China, and now that they are available in Malaysia, I want to talk more about it, so you can know what's good and what's not about the new OS. Let's go! What's up guys, Jason smashpop here. So let me tell you this, since the first day I got the X300 Pro from Shanghai, the phone has been with me every single day because the camera is just too good. I guess partially is also because OriginOS has made it much easier and pleasant to use as an Apple user who owns an iPhone, Mac, iPad, etc. Now during the launch of OriginOS 6, they emphasized a lot on the smoothness of the UI, okay? But initially, I didn't bother so much because it's really not a priority for me until I started using this phone daily. App touch response speed has increased by 41%. In layman terms, opening and closing apps, running tasks like editing or gaming feels like a breeze, much like how I feel when I'm using an iPhone. Now on top of that, Vivo actually promised its users that we can get sustainable smoothness up to 5 years. Certified. Now since I can't testify to that since I've only used for a month, but at least we get a promise from the brand. Now before you point out and say, hey, that looks like Dynamic Island. Well, it's actually very similar and they resemble each other a lot, okay? But Vivo actually put their own flair into it and make it even better. And they call it Origin Island. It is OriginOS all-in-one hub which reacts to your activities and provide convenience for when you need it. For example, if you want to share a photo to someone or social media, just drag and go to Origin Island and you can drop it into any of the apps there. The island also tracks all your activities like music playback, media playback, your timer, your stopwatch, your navigation, and many more. So one of the features that I'm very surprised with in OriginOS is called Flip Card on the lock screen. Now you can customize it by selecting 2 to 4 photos and turning them into flip cards feature. It uses gyroscope to animate the photo or video, turning it into one of those lenticular card toys that we used to play when we were young. Fun, right? Now remember just now when I mentioned that it's a lot easier and also a lot more pleasant to use the X300 Pro now as an Apple user? Well, that's because Vivo almost broke the barrier between both the ecosystems. Now you can just tap both the Vivo and iPhone to transfer files and photos. It's crazy how fast we can transfer a bunch of media within seconds. If you're using an iPhone, there is no more AirDrop problem now that OriginOS has offered a solution to that. Now when it comes to the Mac, it's even more mind-blowing because Vivo just launched this app to be installed on the Mac called Office Kit. After installing on the Mac, it allows us to screen mirror the Vivo on the Mac, transfer files by dragging and dropping, and many more. We can also view our Mac desktop on the Vivo and control it using the phone. Now let's talk imaging. Now that the X300 series comes with 200 megapixel, they have this option called AI one-shot multi-crop, which allows us to take a high-res photo and it will auto-crop and fit them into a 3-frame collage. AI Landscape Master is also another mind-blowing feature. We can take a photo of a scene and then pick a style like snow, desert, island, etc. and AI will turn the scenery into just that. Can you see how amazing these photos look? Vivo's collaboration with Zeiss also elevates portrait photos. Now you can pick from authentic texture or with AI beautification to ensure your subject looks stunning without being over-processed. Now my favorite among all the new stuff has to be telephoto, flower and bird. The OS can recognize this and instantly improves tracking autofocus, color reproduction and mimicking real camera bokeh. So those were some of the new OriginOS features that you can try when you get the brand new X300 series. Other than that, the X300 series, especially my favorite, the X300 Pro, has amazing design and hardware as well. If you want to know more about this, you can also check out my review on the YouTube channel. The Vivo X300 is available in 16 plus 512GB starting at 3899 ringgit, and Vivo X300 Pro will be available in 16 plus 512GB starting at 4699 ringgit. You can now pre-order both models from all Vivo concept stores and online via vivo.com/my. So what do you think of the new OriginOS from Vivo? Let me know in the comments below, and if you love videos like this, share this with your friend, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!